guys, it's Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 6540 Teal Drake Court. This is a gorgeous Southwest home. It's 1988 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, large rooms. There's a lot of exposed vigas in the home, an enclosed glass patio in the back. It sits on a little over 1/4 of an acre. It's 0.38 of an acre. Just a great lot on a cul-de-sac with mountain views. So come on in and let's take a look around. When you walk in the home, you'll see all the custom details. You have these great exposed vigas, this Kiva fireplace, nice tall ceilings here as well, and some beautiful arches. Now we're standing in the kitchen. The kitchen is very large. You have tons of cabinets, countertop space. You have gorgeous views of the Oregon Mountains out the window here. You have a slider out to the back door, and it also leads out to the glass enclosed patio. The large tile master bedroom has these great tray ceilings. There are 2 accesses out to the back patio area. You have a slider and a door here as well. The owner's bathroom has double sinks, his and hers closet, a jetted tub, and a beautifully tiled shower. The home has a split floor plan. The guest bedrooms are both great size. They also have large walk-in closets and ceiling fans. Again, there is no carpet, so all the bedrooms are tile, and there's tile throughout the home. The guest bathroom has a single sink, enclosed tub shower. Guys, now I'm standing in this great enclosed patio here. I mean, again, it's got the great vigas and beams. The seller did have this all enclosed tile floor. You have ceiling fans out here as well. This is east facing, so you have these great mountain views. The home sits again on a little over 1/3 of an acre. There's room for RV parking if you need it, a pool, just lots of options out here. It's beautifully landscaped right now, easy maintenance, and again, it's east facing, so you have these gorgeous Oregon mountain views. Guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 6540 Teal Drake Court. Again, this is an immaculate home. The seller has taken very good care of the home. It's gorgeous. It's 1988 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, tile throughout the home. Lots of Southwest touches like vigas, lighted nichos, and you got this great enclosed patio as well. RV parking if you need it. So give me a call, Ron Bruder, at 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.